Hi, hello, good morning to everybody. So under Unacademy, today we are going to take the YouTube class on neural system and coordination. Under this Unacademy, there is a plus subscription where you can get a subscription for Karnataka CET 2021. So we are focusing towards 2021 aspirants and here you are going to get entire syllabus coverage with the MCQ, mock test and mega quiz. Then unlimited access will be there for students regarding with all educators topic under DCMB. Use my referral code if you go with the plus subscription. Okay, that is one type of class, and another one, it is comprehensive batch. The second one is the comprehensive batch where Unacademy introduced a new batch. Here it is a 3-month course where complete syllabus is going to be covered. Tips and tricks are given by the educators. Topic wise practice questions will be there and full length mock test will be there. So with respect to this one, use my referral code if you go with the plus subscription at comprehensive batch. So myself, I am taking biology. I already started the comprehensive batch course. So thank you, my dear students. Okay, now we will start our discussion of questions under neural system and coordination. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Just a minute. In 1 minute, I will going to start. Okay. So it is only for new subscriber. So this till 30th September, this is the old version. Okay, you can remove, you can have the things that is new subscriber only. So it is not like that for everyone. It is the price value for 1 month plan 2,250 rupees. Okay, thank you. So we will continue the class now. Okay, discussion of questions under this neural control and coordination. So that is the chapter of today's class. So what is correct in context with the neuron? What is correct in context with the neuron? So neurons are having a cyton or cell body with the dendrites, telodendria, axon, long axon with the telodendria. So with respect to neuron structure, the correct answer is cyton possess large nucleus. Cyton possess large nucleus. Okay, cyton will going to possess large nucleus. That is the right answer for the first question. Okay, the second question. Second question in that in which animal nervous system is nervous system is in the form of nerve net, that is hydra. In the case of our example of Coelenterata, we can observe the nerve, the network of structure is observed. So hydra is the right answer for the question number second. third, in which animal nervous system consists of brain, ganglion and nerve fiber? The third question, in which animal nervous system consists of brain neck structure, ganglion and nerve fiber? Nerve fibers are present, that is Ascaris. In the case of intestinal roundworm belonging to Ascomythus, we can observe the nervous structure with the nerve ring or brain or ganglion and nerve fiber, that is the Ascaris is the right answer. So belonging to Ascomythus. Which option show? The next question number 4. Okay, which option show correctly matched pairs for the column 1 and column 2? Unipolar neuron, bipolar neuron, multipolar neuron. So answer for the fourth one, unipolar neuron, bipolar neuron, cerebral hemisphere, multipolar neuron, embryonic stage. So it is a unipolar neuron. So let us have the matching. So fourth one, it is A is the right answer. Refers to unipolar neuron is observed in the embryonic stage. Unipolar neuron. Bipolar neuron is observed in the retina of eye. Multipolar neuron is observed in the case of cerebral hemisphere. So answer is A for match the following under question number 4. So Rajendra, welcome to the class of our Unacademy YouTube. Okay. So answer is A for question number 4. Then fifth one. Fifth one, what type of process the transmission of nerve impulse? So which kind of process will be there during the transmission of nerve impulse, whether it is electromagnetic process or electrochemical or only electrical, only magnetic. So fifth one, it is electrochemical connection. So electrical synapse and chemical synapse will be there, where the involvement of neurotransmitters are neurotransmitter chemical acetylcholine like substance is there, and if the nervous system endings are very close with each other, then electrical synapse will be there, and if the gap is there in the nerve endings with the muscle cell, where we can observe chemical synapse. So answer is B, electrochemical synapse is observed in the case of, or that process will be there during the transmission of nerve impulse between one with another one. Okay, so answer is B. Mahi Rai, you are right. Okay. Yes. Next question number 6. Sixth question. Yes. What is correct for the resting potential? So in the case of neural action, when the nervous system is not working, it is called resting potential. When nervous system is working refers to when the neuron is passing the nerve impulse or that neural signal, the action potential will going to generate. So what is correct for the resting potential? So resting potential is observed when the neuron is not transmitting any kind of impulses. So where we can observe on outer side of plasma membrane of that axon positive charge and inner side is negative charge. So the answer is C for question number 6th. So outer side of the plasma membrane is the plasma membrane of the axon. It is called axolemma. Outer side of the axolemma, it is positive charge, and inner side of the axolemma means in the exoplasm, in the cytoplasm of the axon, it is negative charge. It will become opposite when the action potential is generated, where permeability for the particular ions will be there. So as a result, in the action potential, the outer side of the plasma membrane is a negative charge and inner side is the positive charge during the action potential. During the resting potential, it is the opposite condition. So answer is C for question number 6. Okay, got it? Yeah. Now we will move on to the next question number 7. That is correct for unstimulated nerve fiber. So unstimulated refers to not carrying any kind of what nervous signal, isn't it? So that is what resting potential. Resting potential is the right one. So depolarization, it is observed during the action potential, isn't it? So depolarization of the neuron in the case of axon membrane. So answer is A, there is a resting potential where the nerve fiber is not stimulated, refers to it is not conducting any kind of impulse. So it is the resting potential. For question number 7, A is the right answer. A is the right answer. Got it? Next question is, which option is correct for ion channel? So ion channel, it is important with respect to the nervous connection or conduction of nerve impulse. So here they are consist of protein. Ion channels are made up of protein. So they are consisting of lipid. They always remain open. They are permeable to more than one ion. So it is not the correct option for ion channel. The ion channel is consist of protein, or it is made up of protein. Okay. And which option indicates correct chronology of the changes occurring during transmission of impulse? So transmission of impulse through the axon, through the neural system, how it is occurring, chronology, the steps of the conduction of nerve impulse through the neuron. So here I given 4 options. The right one for this question number 9, I think 9, yeah, 9, it is A. So see here the option. So chronology of nerve impulse conduction. In this one, nerve fiber, depolarization, action potential, repolarization, activation of sodium and potassium pump. So as a result of that, the permeability to this sodium ion to the inner side of the nervous cell and or axon, and potassium ion movement from the neuron inner side to outer side, means axoplasm to outer side of the neuron. So sodium potassium pump activation will be there. So it is required for the conduction of nerve impulse. So action potential, nerve fiber, depolarization, permeability changes, action potential is generated, and repolarization, activation of sodium and potassium pump. So answer is A for 9th one. Okay, got it? It's not C or D. Then which of the following is used to measure membrane potential? So membrane potential annu find out mali. So used to measure membrane potential with respect to nerve signaling. It is voltmeter. Voltmeter is going to be utilized for the purpose of to do the study or measuring of membrane potential. C is the right answer. Okay. C is the right answer. Next question number 10. Okay, what is responsible for opening and closing of ion channel? Which is responsible? So to make the, just a minute Mahi, I will going to see it once again, just a minute, okay. After the discussion of this 11th question, once again I will move to the 9th question, okay. So here for the 11th question, let us see, okay, for the 9th question. So here for the 11th question, what is responsible for opening and closing of ion channel? So ion channel is going to be absorbed during the permeability after the action potential. So to generate the action potential, the permeability will be there, movement of ions are happening, and this options A, B, C, D, which is right for or responsible for the opening and closing of ion channel. Here answer is C, more potassium concentration inner side of the plasma membrane in the initial level. So that will going to have the opening of ion channel, okay. So question number 9, one small doubt, let us see that one, whether it is which option indicates correct chronology of the changes occurring during transmission of nerve impulse? So steps of nerve impulse transmission. So I said, I think A. Nerve fiber depolarization, action potential activation of activation of sodium potassium pump, repolarization. So I said what that is for 9th one, it is A and there is nilla. So I said A. Just a minute, I will go through that C and D once again. Depolarization, action potential activation. So you are right, by mistake I given that is B is the right answer, okay Mahi, thank you. So by mistake I given that A is the right answer. So nerve fiber depolarization, action potential is generated, activation of sodium potassium pump, and repolarization. So as a result of that, transmission of nerve impulse is going to be happening. So it is right, okay, right, that is question number 9, B is the answer, okay. So once again I am changing that option. For 9th question, B is the right answer, and for the 11th question I already said it is A, isn't it? I already said it is A. For 10th question, voltmeter, For 11th question I said A, electrical changes and chemical changes. Once again, 11th question, 11th question A, okay, 11th question A, 11th question A, what is responsible for the opening and closing of ion channel? That is electrical changes and chemical changes, not C, okay, it's not C, it is A. For 10th question it is C, okay, voltmeter. Okay, now let us move on to the next question. In contest with the conduction of nerve impulse, what is the function of ion channel? In contest with the conduction of nerve impulse, what is the function of ion channel? So 12th one, here maintenance and change in the electric potential, transport of ions against the diffusion gradient, transport of sodium ion to the inner side of the membrane, and all of the given. So D is the right answer for 12th one. All of the given is the right answer, okay. So Rakesh, welcome to the class. Good morning. Thank you. So answer for 12th one, it is D is the right answer. Next, when sodium and potassium pump is activated, for A sodium ion, B potassium ion is exchanged. What about the number? For how many number of sodium ion, how many number of potassium ion is going to be exchanged with each other? That is, answer is C. For 2 sodium ion, 3 potassium ion is going to be exchanged. So for 2 sodium ion, here I given A refers to 2 and B refers to 3, refers to here. That means for 2 sodium ion, 3 potassium ions are going to be exchanged. Okay, so answer is C for question number 13. Next 14. The transfer of ion through ion channel is A and B. Means A means what, B means what? Transfer of ion through ion channel. So here for 14th one, it is bidirectional and selectively permeable. So transfer of ion, bidirectional, potassium ion and sodium ion, and selectively permeable. Not all the ions are going to be transported through that ion channel. So answer is A, where it is bidirectional and selectively permeable type of things. So answer is A for 14th one. 15th one. What is the solemn structure present at terminal end of each branch of nerve cell called? Solemn structure. So next question, my dear students, 15th question. What is the solemn structure present at terminal end of each branch of nerve cell called? So it is nothing but synaptic knob, where synaptic vesicles are going to be present. So it's a button shaped structure that is present in the end of pterodendria. Inside that button shaped structure, synaptic knob, we can observe synaptic vesicles with the neurotransmitter. So answer is D for 15th question. So answer for 15th question, it is D, synaptic knob. Next question, 16th one. What is posterior choroid plexus? So if you take our nervous system, in the case of human being brain, what is choroid plexus? It is posterior choroid plexus. It is non-nervous epithelial folded roof-like structure. Choroid plexus is a non-nervous epithelial folded roof-like structure. That is what the choroid plexus. So it is a non-nervous epithelial folded roof, where the blood vessels are, network of blood vessels are observed in each ventricle of the brain, producing the cerebrospinal fluid. That is important for cerebrospinal fluid production. Okay, that is what our choroid plexus structure. So for the production of cerebrospinal fluid. Okay, so answer is A for 16th one. Next 17th one. Okay, 17th one. Which of the following generally transmit nerve impulse only to cyton? Only to cyton. So axon, dendrite, synaptic knob, node of Ranvier. So for 17th one, it is dendrite. So which one? It is the dendrite. So answer is D for question number. D is the right answer. Okay, B, not D. B is the right answer. That is the node of Ranvier, or dendrite is the right answer, because the dendrite will going to transmit the nerve impulse only to cyton. Cyton is the cell body of the neural system. To that area we can observe the passing of nerve impulse from the previous neuron. It is to dendrite. Dendrite is the right answer. B is the right answer for that question number 17. It is the dendrite. Okay, my dear students, it's a dendrite. Next question. Got it? Okay. So next question number 18. What is correct in reference with the nerve impulse? What is correct in reference with the nerve impulse? Self-induced and unidirectional. So that is the right answer. So answer for question number 18, it is a self-induced and unidirectional phenomenon. So here correct in reference with nerve impulse. Impulse how it is going to be transmitted. It's a unidirectional flow and self-induced type of phenomena. So answer is A for question number 18. Unidirectional thing is there. Okay. The next question number 18 I thought. So it is not D, okay, it is A. Okay. For 18th question it is A. Next question number 19. Dash is wrapped by cerebrum. Cerebrum is covered by what? Thalamus, cerebellar hemisphere, midbrain and hypothalamus. So 19th one, it is the thalamus. Dash is wrapped by cerebrum. Cerebrum will going to cover which part? Cerebrum will going to cover thalamus part. Cerebrum will going to cover thalamus part. So for 19th question, A is the right answer. Okay. Got it? Yeah, question is coming there. So for 19th question, it is A. Thalamus is wrapped by cerebrum. Okay. Thalamus is wrapped by cerebrum. So I think for 19th question, A is the right answer. The next question, what is the function of superior colliculi of midbrain? Superior part of the midbrain, we can say like that. Superior part of the midbrain. For easy purpose, actually it is called superior colliculi, inferior, etc. So superior colliculi of midbrain, the function is to control visual reflex with respect to vision purpose. So it is related with our eye, isn't it? Eye function. So superior colliculi of midbrain, it is meant for control visual reflex or to know about vision. So vision mechanism is going to be controlled with that part of the midbrain. So that is the answer. Okay, for 20th question. And 21st, which of the following is a thin transparent non-vascular meninges around CNS? So 21st question, which of the following is the thin transparent non-vascular meninges around CNS? So CNS, central nervous system, brain, isn't it? Thin transparent non-vascular meninges around CNS. So meninges, it is the layer. So where it is having arachnoid, pia mater, dura mater, isn't it? These are the three layers. So arachnoid is the thin transparent non-vascular part of the meninges. So answer is C for 21st question. For 21st question, C is the right answer. C is the right answer. So which of the following is a thin transparent non-vascular meninges? Non-vascular refers to arachnoid is the non-vascular meninges. So out of 3 layer of the meninges. Outer to the meninges, it is the skull. Then 22nd question. 22nd question. Okay. On which side of the brain corpora quadrigemina is present? On which side of the brain corpora quadrigemina or 4 round prominences are present? That is important with respect to visual and hearing purpose. So 22nd, the answer is A. In the brain, the dorsal region. In the dorsal region, we can observe the presence of corpora quadrigemina. So that is the structure observed in the case of dorsal side of the brain of human being. So answer is 22nd, answer is A. A is the right answer. 23rd, which of the following option is the correct option for the innermost meninges of CNS? So which of the following option is the correct option for the innermost meninges of CNS? So 23rd, it is B is the right answer. Thin and vascularized innermost meninges. So arachnoid, pia mater, dura mater, isn't it? So innermost part of the meninges, it is thin and vascularized. Arachnoid is thin, but it is not vascularized. It is a transparent liquid, isn't it? Arachnoid is the arachnoid fluid. Dura mater, arachnoid, pia mater, 3 layers under meninges. So answer is B for the question number 23rd. 23rd question, B is the right answer. It's not A, okay, Mahi. It is B for 23rd question. And 24, which of the following is toughest? Toughest means what? Hard. It is the dura mater. This is the dura mater is the toughest layer under entire meninges. So answer is A for answer is C for question number 24. Answer is C for question number 24. 24 question, dura mater is the right answer. C is the right answer for 24th question. And next question, 25th. Which of the following is adherent to brain? Adherent refers to attached to brain, means the cerebrum. Out of 3 meninges, which layer is the innermost one? So it is B, pia mater. Outermost is the dura mater, middle one is the arachnoid, innermost is the pia mater. Pia mater is going to be attached with the brain or cerebrum. So pia mater is the innermost layer, middle is the arachnoid, outermost is the dura mater. So pia mater is the innermost, so it is adherent or attached to the brain portion. So answer is B for question number 25. It is not A. Arachnoid is the middle layer. Okay, Mahi. Arachnoid is the middle layer. It is not A is the right answer. It is B is the right answer. There is a pia mater. Okay. It is B. Okay. So answer is B for 25th question. Next, 26th question. The gap in the myelin sheath between adjacent Schwann cell is called what? Next question number 26. Few more questions. Total 30 questions are there. Okay. So the gap in the myelin sheath between adjacent Schwann cell is called what? 26. It is called node of Ranvier. Node of Ranvier. C is the right answer for question number 26. So next question number 27. So 26, node of Ranvier. gap in the myelin sheath between adjacent Schwann cells. It is called node of Ranvier. Got it? So answer is C for 26th question. Next, question number 27. Synaptic vesicles discharge dashed at the neuromuscular junction. So here I am saying about the neurotransmitters. Which is the neurotransmitter? Here in the given 4 option. So it is A. Acetylcholine. Acetylcholine is the right answer. It is the neurotransmitter which is present inside the synaptic vesicle, which is going to be discharged at the neuromuscular junction. Neuromuscular junction. So answer is A for question number 27. Neuromuscular junction is the junction between muscle and neural cell, muscle tissue and neural cell, where acetylcholine is going to be released from the synaptic vesicle. Next, 28th question. The area on the left hemisphere related to speech is which one? 28. So area of the left hemisphere related to speech and hearing. So in the left hemisphere for the purpose of speech, under 28 it is B, Broca's area. Broca's area. So answer for 28, it is B is the right answer. B is the right answer for 28. Okay. And next question 29. When cocaine is used as a stimulant, it interferes with the CNS at the reuptake of the dash at the synapse. What happens if you take cocaine as a stimulant? What will going to happen to the CNS at the reuptake of the dash at the synapse? So 29, it is dopamine. Dopamine, it is one of the constituents, chemical constituents that will going to have the reaction with the CNS. So dopamine. Okay, answer is 29. B is the right answer. And the last question of this session under human neural system, it is smooth muscle, cardiac muscle and organs are regulated by dash: central nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system, sympathetic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. So involuntary organ, we can say like that: smooth muscles, cardiac muscles and organs like respiratory system, organ respiration process, or heart and digestive process, all are regulated by, or excreted process are regulated by autonomic nervous system. Autonomic system. So answer is D for 30th question, autonomic system. Am I right? I think by this I am going to wind up this class. Okay. So the last question answer is D for the 30th question, and this is our plus subscription. So here for all it is the price value 2250 and other things. Okay. And this is the plus subscription. According to the Unacademy Karnataka CET 2021 aspirants are going to get this best plans and use my referral code, okay, to get offer price. And the plus subscription, you will going to have the presence of theory followed with the MCQ and doubt clearance session, mega quiz. You can have unlimited access with respect to different topics of all educators under PCMB. Okay, that is one thing. And Unacademy introduced one new offer, new class, that is comprehensive batch, where complete syllabus is going to be covered, tips and tricks given by top educators, topic wise practice questions or MCQ will be there, and full length mock test for every chapter is there. So it is one of the best plan for our Karnataka CET 2021 aspirants, and this is not for September month. For all the subscriber, this is the value for 1 month. Okay, so use my referral code BPG853057 if you go with the plus subscription. So on 15th I am going to take another class under this YouTube. Okay, under this YouTube class, the next class on 15th is related with the principle of inheritance and variation, genetics chapter, principle of inheritance and variation. So Unacademy will going to help with the students to crack the Karnataka CET. So the value of this money, it is for all, it is not till September or October like that. Okay, so use my referral code if you go with plus subscription, and if you visit unacademy.com you will get all the information. Use this link to get more information. Okay, so thank you one and all. I will going to wind up this class now. So on the next class, it is on 15th, principle of inheritance and variation. Follow me in Unacademy app, Unacademy student app, and you will get all the notification regarding with my classes. Thank you one and all.